So we have it connected here. Remember, it's the one that you guys dropped. So let's just take a 2D plus 3D capture here. And I just want to point out a few of the objects. So we have this really shiny black car piece. It's the back of the side view mirror. We also have these plastic bottles here, wrapped in plastic. And we have some shiny metal parts. And we have assorted cardboard boxes. And what I want to show is just how good of coverage we get on these black shiny parts here. The full mirror, backside of the mirror is covered. We have really good shape trueness on these metal objects, even though they're nice and shiny. We're even capturing this transparent plastic on top of the bottles. And then look at this. We get the gap of the cardboard, even though we have a huge stack of boxes right next to it. So I want to point out that even though we doubled the baseline from the 2+R series, it's still a much smaller baseline than a lot of other structure light cameras that do depalletization. So that allows you to not have projector shadow and capture these objects even when there's very tall objects next to it. But what's really interesting about this point cloud is that we get this quality even though we're greater than 4 meters away from this pallet. Well, I'm going to surprise you even further. If you look up, we have a glass ceiling. So we have all of this ambient light shining on the scene. We're 4.5 meters away from the pallet here, as well as you drop the camera. This is kind of crazy. I would not recommend this. But even though we have a ton of light and we're really far away, this point cloud is crushing it. So I want to crank this up a notch. Let's push this baby a little bit past the spec sheet. So I'm going to angle this guy up.